In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Risk of Rain 2 with more than 4 players. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, by default, the maximum amount of players that you can have in a Risk of Rain 2 lobby is 4. But you are able to go past this limit using console commands. So from the home screen of the game, what you have to do is open the console. Another warning is that you have to disable crossplay for this to work properly, so I'm going to be teaching you how to do it on Steam, and for this method, crossplay needs to be disabled. Sadly, I don't know if you will be able to play with friends who are on Epic while you are on Steam or vice versa, so this method is going to be exclusive to Steam. What you have to do to open the console is to press Alt plus Control plus tilde on your keyboard simultaneously. So press all of these buttons at the same time while you are on the home screen of Risk of Rain 2. This is going to pull up the console. So in here you can type out commands. The first one that you will have to type is going to be sv_max players space and then the amount of players that you want. So this can be set to 8, 6, 10, 16, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Of course, don't try to put a weird number in like 100. 16 seems to be the safe limit. So after you input the number here and you type out the command exactly like this with the amount of players that you would like to use, then go ahead and submit. Next, you are going to type out this command steam_lobby_max members. And then once again, you repeat the same number that you typed out on the previous command. So if you set the maximum amount of players to 8, you set this command to 8 as well. Make sure that they are matching. Send the command, so submit, and now you can go over to multiplayer and set up a lobby. Invite your friends. One thing to note is that when you invite your friends, only up to 4 people, including you, will appear in the lobby. Everyone else is going to be on the lobby, but they will not appear. So make sure that you ask them when they are inside of the lobby so you know when to start. And then once you start the game, you will see all of their icons load in like this. Everyone readies up, the host starts, and you will all be able to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.